Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can create an account on Zara app. So to create an account on Zara app, all you have to do is first of all install the application on your mobile device, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up the application. When you're done installing it, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now here you could go ahead and tap on the enter button and then start creating your account. So go ahead and accept all of the terms and conditions, and then click the continue button, enable all of the permissions and all that. And next interface, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and create your account or select the method of creating your account. So click on the profile icon, and here go ahead and click on do you need an account. Click on register. Under it, providing your personal details, create a password, your name and then the last name, and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on create account. When you're done, click on create account. It's going to direct you to the other field where you need to go ahead and enter in your address, wallet details, phone number and all that. So quickly enter in all of these information, and then you'll have successfully created your account on the Zara app. So that is how you could create an account on Zara. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.